Hello everyone. Now it's time for us to do our second activity for today, which is a story session. This activity is going to help the child to stimulate listening skills, and this is also going to help them to increase their vocabulary. So let's get started. The name of our story is Itchy Bear by Neil Griffith and is illustrated by Judith Black. Bear was enjoying a nice and long sleep. In fact, he would have slept all day long if he hadn't begun to itch. And it was not an ordinary itch. It started between his toes, then behind his ears, under his chin, and soon he was itching all over. I must find somewhere for a good scratch, he thought. He found a perfect rock for scratching a bear's bottom. Oh, lovely, thought Bear. Do you mind? Cried a mole, appearing from a small mound of soil nearby. I'm trying to do some serious digging down here. Go and scratch somewhere else. Oh dear, thought Bear. Then he spotted a perfect branch for scratching behind Bear's ears. Wonderful, thought Bear. Excuse me, shrieked a tawny owl peering from dark hole in tree trunk. I would like to sleep during day, and you have just woken me up. Go and scratch somewhere else. Oh dear, dear, thought Bear. Then he saw a perfect log for scratching a bear's tummy. Ah, heavenly, thought Bear. What's going on? Yelled a squirrel from inside hollow log. I'm trying to count on my hazelnut in here. Go and scratch somewhere else. Oh dear, 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 thought Bear. Then he found a perfect pile of twigs for scratching between Bear's toes. He was just about to start scratching then. "Oi, hand back the twig," demanded a tiny millipede. "That's part of my roof to our house. Go and scratch somewhere else." Oh dear, 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 thought Bear. Then he discovered a perfect tree trunk for scratching Bear's back. "Is there anyone there?" asked the bear cautiously. Bear looked all around to make sure. "Oh, good," he thought. "At last I can give a jolly good scratch." "This is just isn't my day," thought Bear. But he had stopped itching at last and apples tasted simply delicious. The end. Thank you.